Hi, my name's Yehuda. I'm a first-year psychiatry resident here at Montefiore. I was born and raised in the Bronx, and I went to the Einstein College of Medicine, affiliated with Montefiore. So for me, I'm someone who loves the Bronx, and I really wanted to stay here. I think the patient population that we work with is extraordinarily diverse and interesting. I think you get to see a lot of interesting cases. I think what I really value about Montefiore and the psychiatry training here is the unique combination of clinical exposure and a robust formal didactic curriculum. And the way that's played out for me is rotating at my clinical site and learning by doing, but then also having 1 day a week of protected didactic time where I'm able to sit with my peers and synthesize the material that we've been exposed to in our clinical sites. I'm in my first rotation, so I'm on the acute inpatient unit here at Montefiore. And it's been great working with the faculty so far. All have different experiences, all been very approachable, receptive to feedback. Really helpful in terms of easing my transition to becoming a doctor and a caregiver. My co-residents are great. Right now it's just, so it's 12 in a class, and 6 of us are currently rotating in psychiatric services while the other 6 are doing their primary medicine and neurology months. But we're a really cohesive unit, whether that's finding time to have lunch together here, sitting outside, hanging out outside of the hospital, whether it be going out for dinner, going out for drinks. It's been great so far to work with them. The Bronx is a great place. It's just north of Manhattan. It's easily accessible by the subway, or if you have a car, you can easily go into the city. In the Bronx, there's a lot to do. Botanical gardens, one of the best zoos in the country. There's also Wave Hill, which is a beautiful set of gardens overlooking the Hudson River. There's trails, there's parks. Housing here is really great. There's housing that's apartments that are right by the hospital, which are large and very affordable. And there's also housing in Riverdale, which is a neighborhood within the Bronx. I think the psychiatry residency program here does a great job at ensuring an appropriate work-life balance for residents. I feel like I'm working hard. I'm an inpatient unit. I'm carrying a significant number of cases, and I'm on call in the emergency room or covering consults in the hospital. And so I feel like I'm busy and I'm learning a lot, stimulated by the environment, but I also feel like I have time to go home to play basketball. I'm currently in an intramural league, play guitar, hang out with friends outside of the hospital. I think that the program does a really great job in ensuring that balance. I was a medical student at the Einstein College of Medicine, affiliated with Montefiore, and I did my psychiatry rotation here at Montefiore in the Consul Liaison Psychiatry Service, which was great. I had a great time. The faculty not only valued teaching medical students, but also seeing their expertise really attracted me to this program. One thing that I think is really great about this residency program is how approachable other residents and other classes are. And for me, I've reached out to fourth-year residents, third-year residents, and if there's someone else on call, and I've been able to ask them questions, and they've been very receptive to helping me, which I think is really important in a program and helps me feel more comfortable learning how to be a resident.